Hello guys, my name is Heston Das and you are at Basic Marine Engineering. Today the topic which I've taken is freshwater generator. There are a few questions which some of you guys had asked me earlier long back, and what I've done is I will be giving answers of those questions. So if you haven't gone through freshwater generator, I will suggest go through the notes first, then come and try to see this video, so that if you have any difficulties it will get solved, or if you still have some more questions, you can post it down. The first question which was posted is, how does freshwater generator produce vacuum? Well, vacuum is produced by the eductor, which is sucking air from the condenser side. It is not sucking inside the condenser, but near the condenser it will suck air, and that because of that it starts creating vacuum. Vacuum is also been created when the steam which is generated is being converted into water. At that point, that also creates more vacuum. So there are two things which creates vacuum inside a freshwater generator. Is one is your eductor, which continuously keeps sucking your air from the condenser side, and also the conversion from steam to water will also create your vacuum, will also add up to your vacuum. So another question which was there was, what should be the ideal temperature of jacket water inlet and outlet? Normally, as per freshwater generator manual, if you read the freshwater generator manual, you will come to know that the ideal temperature should be around, the inlet to the freshwater generator should be around 80 to 85. So preferably you keep on a higher side, better you keep on a higher side, and then it should be around 10 degrees less. Outlet should be coming 10 degrees less, or you should keep the inlet outlet open. Bypass valve you should keep almost half turn close. Half the valve you should keep it closed. You should not keep the bypass valve fully closed. It should be only halfway closed. Understood? So that will give you a very good production rate. Also, the temperature should be maintained in such a way that your shell temperature doesn't go around above 48. You should try to keep it as low as possible, because that will result, steam production may be very fast if you keep full jacket water heating open. But what will happen is, basically your salt formation inside the evaporator will also increase, and if you are having a long voyage, it will not able to run for that long. You will have to stop in between and you will have to start cleaning. Another question which is there is, why chemical dosing is done in freshwater generator? If you all know, feed is always taken from the condenser outlet side, which goes back to the evaporator side. Small tapping will be taken, which will go to the evaporator. Now, the feed has to be very, very minimum. You cannot give lot of feed. Always on the feed water side, there will be orifice or some sort of arrangement which will restrict the water. On the feed side, there will be another connection given, that will be from your chemical dosing tank. Now, the chemical dosing is required to prevent scale formation inside the evaporator. As we all know, water gets heated, lot of heat is supplied there, water will start evaporating. The scale formation should not take place between the, suppose if you have evaporator plates or plate type, it's a freshwater generator is plate type. So evaporation should not take between the plates, or should not take inside the shell, inside the tubes of the evaporator. Or the salt formation should not be taking place there. So if salt formation starts taking place there, what will happen is your heat exchange will not take place. So to prevent the salt formation at the plates or at the inside the tubes, chemical is added so that it comes out and then it goes out inside in the form of brine. So that question I hope you guys have understood. Another question is, what is the temperature, or at what temperature the water will start boiling inside a freshwater generator? But actually speaking, you are providing heating at 80 degrees, even if you provide heating at 60 degrees, water will start boiling. Actual temperature at which it starts boiling will be just 45 to 50 degrees is more than enough, at which it will start boiling. Another doubt, if you guys have, suppose if you don't, your freshwater generator is not producing enough, what could be another reason is that your condenser side is also choked. What should be the condenser side temperature difference? Condenser side, that is suppose seawater inlet and outlet across the condenser should be at least 10 degrees. That tells you that it is able to cool something. If the temperature difference is less than 10 degrees, that means the condenser is choked or condenser is dirty. So you will probably have to clean the condenser, and then also you will get able to produce you will get a better production. Also, another reason why the freshwater generator production can be less is your thermistor is choked. You probably have to remove the thermistor and clean. Vacuum is, we all know how cleaning is done. When cleaning is done, we have to make sure that whatever we fix back is fixed properly, and we apply grease so that your vacuum is intact. So these are the few things, few doubts and few questions which I have discussed. If you still have any more doubts, you can post your comments, whatever questions you have. I will always like to answer them. Till next time, best of luck, study well. Thank you.